In this tutorial, I am going to show you how I rod set my friend Anissa's hair and of course give you some care and style tips you can apply to your routine. For the last couple years, Anissa has been growing out her hair color and transitioning back to her natural tone. She has also been primarily thermal styling her hair, so a rod set is a great way for her to still have a smooth style appearance while taking a break from flat ironing. It's summertime, and just like many of you, Anissa has been spending time in the pool and in direct sun, so she has got some serious dryness and tangle going on here. I am going to begin by removing buildup with the scalp clarifier. Its key ingredients of salicylic acid, sea kelp extract, and Indian winter cherry are going to gently exfoliate the follicles while increasing circulation for healthy hair growth. The cooling sensation of this feels so good as you apply it and massage it through your scalp. You will literally feel the hair at the root opening up. Using this treatment weekly will help reduce flaking and shedding and give your scalp the clean, pH-balanced foundation it needs to be healthy. This clarifier will also have the same amazing benefits to your hair as a deep cleanser, so I am going to add some water and lather this through to the ends. Fully clarifying your hair every 4 to 6 weeks or so is going to help remove any leftover product buildup and give you a clean canvas to work from. Your hair will be able to receive and maintain moisture better and allow deep treatments to penetrate more fully. Like I mentioned before, Anissa has a lot of tangle and dryness going on here, so I am going to use the moisturizing co-wash to replenish and detangle. I am going to massage this through, and then I'm going to use the new FHI Heat Unbrush to detangle. This brush has dual flex anti-static bristles that help glide effortlessly through all hair types and levels of tangle without causing breakage. I love that it's very lightweight and it's easy to clean, and it really cuts down on detangling time. I have a discount code for additional savings on this in the description box below this video. The moisturizing co-wash is a rich, creamy formula that has elements of a cleanser and conditioner with a lot of slip. This is going to be great for moments like this when you need a little extra help or for refreshing your hair between full wash days. It has Abyssinian oil to increase manageability and strength, avocado oil to reduce breakage, and ylang-ylang oil to reduce shedding and stimulate sebum production to promote a healthy scalp. It really covers all the bases you need to cleanse and condition in one step. It will process in just a few minutes that it takes you to detangle, leaving your hair softer, smoother, and ready to style. This co-wash is making it super easy to work through these tangles without breaking or pulling out the hair, which is more likely to happen the more tangle you have. The silk amino acids in this formula play a vital role in helping to retain moisture in the hair shaft by rebuilding keratin in the strands to reconstruct damaged areas. It's going to prevent dryness and make your hair softer and more manageable. I made this co-wash to be more than just a slip and slide of synthetic ingredients thrown together. It is made with essential oils, botanicals, and strengthening ingredients to actually improve the health of your hair while it's helping you detangle, cleanse, and condition. If you feel like your hair needs even more love after this, you can follow up with the elasticity restoring treatment, which is specifically formulated to repair the lipid barrier of your strands to help you retain more moisture and reduce frizz while strengthening. Now I am going to section the hair and apply curl primer throughout and then evenly distribute with a Tangle Teezer brush. This leave-in treatment helps detangle as it defines, giving you protection during and after styling while priming your hair for beautiful results. You all have heard me say this before, that textured hair is always on its way to being damaged no matter what you do because of all the bends in the strand make it more susceptible to breakage, so you have to exercise preventative care. This leave-in treatment is part of your hair's health care in that way. Like the moisturizing co-wash, it has Abyssinian oil to increase shine and manageability. Additionally, it has grapeseed oil to protect hair from pollution and UV radiation, and castor oil to boost scalp circulation to encourage healthy hair growth. The curl primer also has silk amino acids to help repair your strands, so using this before styling is going to work in perfect tandem with the cleansing and conditioning you've already done. I made this collection to be a complete cycle of moisture retention and repair, so your hair is literally getting healthier in each phase of your regimen. All the ingredients were methodically chosen to give you what your hair needs. Y'all know it's all science and no gimmicks over in these parts. Now I am going to apply a little smoothing pudding on each section, brush it through to make sure it's evenly coating the strands, and rod set using a mix of flexi rods. The smoothing pudding is a brand new formula that is rich, creamy, and made to glide through and absorb into strands, giving flexible hold. It has aloe leaf juice as its base to hydrate while it strengthens, meadow foam seed oil to reduce moisture loss and create a silky smooth finish, and mango seed butter to prevent moisture loss and improve elasticity. I call this a pudding because it's more than just a moisturizing hair dress. It also has elements of a gel to give it a lasting hold. It has a different hold or cast system of ingredients than the first version to make it more forgiving and flake-free on the finish. This multi-purpose styler is great for twist outs, braid outs, rod sets, wash and goes, bantu knots, or even smoothing hair into a ponytail. It's made to keep the moisture in your hair while holding it in style and resisting humidity. All the formulas in the collection are concentrated, so a little goes a long way. You don't need to overdo it. You see me blotting away excess product as I'm rodding the hair. That is going to ensure that it dries without clumps of product on the surface. You should do this with any style and any product you use. Letting blobs of product dry on your hair will result in sticky residue or flaking. Also, I put in the directions of the smoothing pudding to not mix it with other stylers. I did that because I want you to try it first on its own, and then if you decide to layer it, you can do that. It really just depends on the hair type and how much you're using. This goes for any brand of stylers. When you start layering multiple hold products together, you're going to run into issues. So I encourage you to follow packaging instructions and try them one at a time first to avoid user error. Also, make sure your sections are wet when applying. That is going to help you use less product and distribute it easier. After getting all of these rods in, I am going to have Anissa sit under my ceramic oversized hooded dryer for about 45 minutes and then switch to a soft hood attachment and FHI ceramic blow dryer to funnel heat underneath the back for another 15 to 20 minutes. Flexi rods are not the easiest to get dry because of how they stack up and create obstacles to heat circulation. Also, you can't use too many or else your head won't fit under the dryer, so it's a delicate balance on the install for this style. After removing the rods, I'm going to separate and fluff. You can use a finishing oil of your choice if you like, and I also recommend hairspray for styles like this. I will link you to some of my favorites below. As you can see, we went from dry, dull, and tangled to hydrated, shiny, and smooth with just 4 products. Healthy hair does not have to be complicated. I am taking the mystery out of it for you with salon quality products and tutorials like this. I'm going to link some others for you below. At night, you can either pineapple and enclose with a bonnet or scarf if your hair is long enough, or just cover it with a bonnet. You can bantu knot sections in the days after to maintain the shape and reset the curls if they frizz, fall, or sweat out. I hope this gives you all some inspiration and assistance in achieving or improving your results. One wash day at a time, discipline and consistency will get you to the results you want. You will find links to products and tools in the About section below this video, and you can get the entire MoKnowsHair collection at MoKnowsHair.com.